Welcome back. Are you ready to find out which Nama appliance is the perfect match for your juicing and healthy living lifestyle? Today we're going to take a look at all the Nama machines, the J1, the J2, the J3, the C2, and the M1 plant-based milk maker. Whether you're looking for affordability, convenience, or versatility, I've got you covered with this review. All right, are you ready to make the perfect pick? Let's get into it. First, let's get to know the lineup, and let's start with the Nama J1. This is Nama's original juicer. It's budget friendly, but with a smaller feed chute and a lower motor power. Then we have the Nama J2. The J2 was the revolutionary batch juicer that made hands-free juicing a reality and now has over 16,000 reviews with an average of 4.8 stars. Next, the Nama J3, a compact version of the J2 which is ideal for small kitchens and travel. Then we have the Nama C2, the multitasking powerhouse that combines a J2 juicer and a high-speed blender similar to, if not better than, a Vitamix all in one sleek machine. And last but not least, the Nama M1, a dedicated plant-based milk maker for rich, creamy plant-based milks and creamers. All right, let's talk about budget. If you're on a tight budget, the Nama J1 is the most affordable option of the family. It's perfect for entry-level and expert juicing alike, but if you're not quite ready to spend the biggest of bucks, the J1 is awesome. It has a slightly less powerful motor and a shorter warranty than the other Nama machines, but honestly, its biggest shortcoming is that you have to chop up all your ingredients and feed them into a smaller feed chute one at a time. Otherwise, it's a great juicer. Now, if you're looking to get both an incredible juicer as well as an amazing high-speed blender at the same time, the Nama C2 juicer blender combo allows you to get a premium juicer and a blender at a fraction of what buying both separately would cost. You'll save anywhere from $200 to $400 buying a C2 versus buying a J2 and a Vitamix separately. So while the upfront cost is more, you're saving more in the long run. Now, if you're most interested in convenience, here's where the Nama J2 and C2 shine. Their large hoppers let you load all your whole ingredients, close the lid, and walk away. This allows you to multitask while the juicer does its thing. Since these two machines were released, Nama also introduced a double-size batching hopper that fits both machines so that you can make your juicing and multitasking sessions even longer. As I've mentioned in my other reviews of these machines, the ability to add all of your whole ingredients without chopping and adding ingredients one at a time is just amazing. Now, the Nama J3 is also amazing for batch juicing, but in a smaller, more compact package. The J3 is all about single servings and portability. It has all the power of the J2 just in a mini version. Personally, because of its small size, it's my go-to pick for a travel juicer, and it's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or just making smaller amounts of juice. Its size is small enough to pack in an Osprey backpack or suitcase and take it as a carry-on, and it's personally what I take with me when I travel. It can make nut milks just like its bigger siblings, the J2 and C2, but unfortunately it doesn't have a sorbet attachment for making frozen fruit sorbets or nice creams. And speaking of plant-based milk, if you're looking for the best of the best in the alternative milk making world, the Nama M1 keeps things simple. No pre-soaking or messy straining required. You just add your ingredients, press start, and watch the M1 make the magic milk. Its ability to wrap the two separate steps of blending and straining into one process is truly next level. It does this with a super high-speed emulsification blender that makes the milk amazingly thick and creamy. Then when it's finished, it has a 45-second spin cycle that spins every last drop out of the pulp. Honestly, I've made plant-based milk on a ton of juicers and milk makers, and I've never tasted anything better than what I've made on the M1. And to be able to make amazing milks in 2 minutes is awesome. All right, how about motor power and warranties on all of these juicers? Well, the J2 and C2 come with the most powerful motors of the family, and they also have Nama's industry-leading 15-year warranties for peace of mind. The J1, J3, and M1 have slightly smaller yet capable motors compared to the larger capacity J2 and C2. I've tested all of these machines extensively and I've never had a machine trip off from overuse, and trust me, I beat them up when I use them. The J3 and M1 also have the amazing 15-year warranty on both motor and parts like the J2 and C2, but the J1 has a less lengthy warranty of only 10 years. It's still good for sure, but it's reflective of its lower price. All of these machines have parts available if anything breaks and you're outside of the warranty for any reason. This is great because a lot of the inexpensive dupes of Nama juicers don't have any parts available and have really short or even non-existent warranties, so buyer beware. Okay, let's wrap this up with my recommendations. If budget is the key for your decision, I'd recommend going for the Nama J1. It's simple, affordable, and a great solid starting point. For hands-free batch juicing and absolutely the fastest, most convenient juicing option, the Nama J2 is my top pick. It's efficient, effortless, and upgradable. If all the features of the J2 sound amazing, but you're looking for something compact for small kitchens, dorms, single servings, or travel, then the J3 is a fantastic option. If you're looking for the most versatile option to fully outfit your juicing and blending kitchen, the Nama C2 juicer blender combo gives you a premium juicer and blender all in one. And while all the other models make plant-based milks okay, if you really want the most amazing milks you've ever tasted with the most convenient, least messy process, then the M1 is your best choice. Okay, that's my rundown, the Juice Feaster point of view, but after seeing all that, which Nama model speaks to you? Are you Team J2 for batch juicing, or is the M1 your milk making soulmate? Maybe you're ready to go all in on a fully outfitted kitchen with the C2 juicer blender combo. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know your thoughts. And if you're ready to pick one up, check the links in the description box below for more details and an exclusive discount code that's good for a limited time. That's all for today. Until next time, make lots of juice, drink it all up, and as always, stay juicy.